Hi loves, it's all about Chanel today. I will be sharing with you guys something I got from Chanel. This is a vintage piece. I got it from the pre-loved market. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys all of my classic Chanel handbags. And guys, I love the vintage piece because it's unique. And I've been on the hunt for this particular bag for a very long time. I wanted something different, something that isn't lambskin, caviar, goat skin and the rest of it. So I opted for a JC flap. I got this from eBay from my Japanese seller. Okay loves, here is the bag. It came neatly wrapped and this took just 3 days to get to me here in Ireland. I asked for DHL shipping all the way from Japan to Ireland, and when it came to Ireland I paid the custom duty, so you guys bear that in mind. I've already cut this side open and this is what she looks like. I'm just gonna put the carton somewhere. You can never go wrong with a vintage Chanel piece. This is it. It's in the JC flap. This is size small and it has the gold hardware, 24 karat gold, and this bag is just like new. It doesn't have any sign of wear at all. It's also a single flap and a single chain. I tend to love the single chains, that way I can wear it crossbody. And that's what the inside looks like. The bag also came in with the authenticity card, which I would not be showing here on YouTube because of the whole thing happening with Chanel right now, lawsuit and the rest of it. This is how long the chain is. I absolutely love the 24 karat gold. So let's see what can fit into this bag. I'm just going to take off everything I have in this, my other Chanel bag, which I will be sharing with you guys later. In here I have my keys. My big size wallet, guys. I am so sick and tired of carrying a big size wallet, so I will be looking into getting a coin purse as well as card holder because this is just too heavy. I also have here tissue, my hand sanitizer, my sunglasses from Celine. I absolutely love the sunglasses. I'm just gonna wear this for you guys to see. Guys, I'm looking Boujee right now. You can't tell me nothing with the sunglasses on, giving you guys rich auntie vibes. I also have in here my 2 phones. I'm just gonna put this away somewhere. I'm gonna start with my big size wallet, my sunglasses, I don't think the patch will fit in here with the big wallet. My 2 phones, and I still have a lot of space to work with. My hand sanitizer in there, tissue in there, and my keys. So let's see if we can close this up. See, I think without my big size wallet I can fit in my sunglasses and the pouch in there, as well as 2 card holders and a coin purse. I love this and I highly recommend her. Enough of this so that I would share with you guys my other Chanel purses. I added this to my collection. It's the Chanel lambskin silver hardware, as you guys can see, double flap, double chain, but you can also wear this as a single chain. It has the pocket at the back. The price of this bag right now is about $6,800, guys. That is ridiculous. I absolutely love this bag. It's lambskin, and I know so many people complain about the lambskin, but to be frank, I have not had any issues with any of my lambskin. And my next bag is a vintage piece. This one I bought brand new, okay, and I got this from the pre-loved market. I think I've had this for 4 or 5 years now, I can't remember. And it's my Diana flap, 24 carats gold. This is single flap, single chain. Love this so much. And this I tend to wear with non-colored clothing. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. I avoid wearing this with a denim because of color transfer. That's what it looks like at the back. And when I got this bag from the pre-loved market, the price was very reasonable. I think I got this for under 3 grand, but now in the pre-loved market this goes for 4K. I would say it's still okay, the price, because when you compare that to this one, and it's the same size, like, you know, this is 6,800, and if you're getting this from the pre-loved market for 4K, that means you're still saving 2 grand side by side with the new one. My other Chanel bag is this one. It's a jumbo, and this bag, it's really heavy, caviar skin, beige, silver hardware, double flap, double chain. You can also wear this crossbody if you want, and I tend to wear this like this because of the weight of this bag. It is really heavy. Now it has this pocket at the back, and the price of this in the pre-loved market, it's almost 5 grand, if not much. But if you're getting this from the boutique, you will be paying, say, 7,800 and something dollars. That's how expensive this bag is, but I absolutely love her. The last but not the least, it's my first ever Chanel bag, and I tend to store my bags with the dust bag, and here she is. I love this. This is lambskin. Bought this from the pre-loved market as well. Guys, there is nothing wrong buying a luxury item from the pre-loved market, because it's not everyone that has the thousands to pay for brand new one. So if you can save money and get something really nice, why not? This has 24 karat gold, and I love that the big CC thing here is doing it for me. This is single flap, and the strap is really long. It has a pocket at the back, and I tend to wear her like this sometimes, or crossbody. I absolutely love this piece. Okay loves, that is it for my classic Chanel collection. As always, thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think about my classic Chanel collection? Do you love it? Do you not like it? And as for luxury handbags, I do not think I will be pulling the trigger anymore, because I think I'm fine. I'm good to go with what I have, you know. Leave your comments beneath the comment section. Subscribe for more fun videos. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye now.